Hey guys, what's up? It's Jesse. Thanks for checking into my channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If not, thanks for coming back. I'm back with another awesome install video. I'm super excited because today I'm installing a CVT awning to the mount hood using some awning brackets from CVT. Check it out. Check out the hardware from CVT. All you're gonna need to install this is a 1/2 inch ratcheting wrench to make it easiest. I'll leave it hand tightened for now, that way I'm able to slide it around inside the track. After you mount the bracket in the back, mount another one in the front. Just like the tracks on the tent, these bolts slide straight into the channel. Just remove the plastic cap at the end. Now that I got the 8 bolts on the awning, it's time to put it up on the mount hood. A couple extra things about this awning is the Hybrid Series has a black track mounted to the back, whereas the other one has just a silver track. Also, the legs on this are black. Next, I'll use a 1/2 inch ratcheting wrench to tighten everything up. Alright guys, that's how you install a CVT awning on the mount hood. Peace.